Dzine AI is making waves as an AI design platform, but is it really worth your time and money? Let's dive in and see if this tool lives up to the hype or if it's just another flash in the pan. So, what exactly does Dzine AI do? At its core, this platform aims to simplify the design process by leveraging artificial intelligence to create stunning visuals effortlessly. Whether you're a seasoned designer or a complete novice, Dzine AI claims to cater to a wide range of users by offering templates and design suggestions tailored to your project needs. When you first log in, the interface is user-friendly, which is a plus for beginners. However, I found the depth of customization options a bit lacking. While it does provide some impressive AI-generated designs, there's a sense that more advanced users might hit a wall quickly. One thing that stands out is the speed of generating design concepts. It's pretty impressive, but there's still a bit of ambiguity surrounding how the AI learns from user interactions over time. Overall, the potential is there, but some aspects feel underdeveloped. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, Dzine AI is incredibly fast at generating designs, which can save you a ton of time, especially for quick projects. The user interface is intuitive, making it accessible for those who may not have extensive design experience. However, the platform does have its drawbacks. For starters, the limited customization options can be frustrating for more experienced designers looking for deeper control. Additionally, the pricing structure isn't clear-cut, which may deter some potential users. Trust concerns also arise due to the lack of transparency about how user data is handled. If you're someone who values control over your design process, you might want to explore other alternatives before committing to Dzine AI. In conclusion, the Dzine AI could be a solid choice for beginners or those needing quick design solutions. However, if you're an experienced designer or looking for robust customization, you might want to consider other options. It has potential, but I'd recommend proceeding with caution until more clarity emerges on its features and pricing.